Hello there, and today I'm here with a video about the Kiss 100 Full Cover Nail Kit. And this is the active oval shape, so it does come in other ones, and then it also has like toenail ones. But these are a little bit shorter because I don't always like them super long. And as you can see here, it has the Kiss logo right on the top. And I like these. I really love them. They're really durable, even for, glue on nails. Really durable, they're super cute, and they're really easy just to paint. Obviously, there's no color in them, so you don't have to worry about like multiple coats. I'd say 2 coats is fine. And it comes with the glue, and I like that the glue has its own little storage right here. And not only that, but you get 100 of them. You'll get to do your nails, like you won't have to re-up for a while. I'd say that the nails will last me about a week, if I put them on properly without, or without, doing anything. So yeah, I highly recommend.